Finally, my little studio makeover is done! This is a video where I take my garage studio and I just give it a little love. It is, of course, a garage, so not exactly cozy to start with, so that's the real challenge here. We're going to clean, we're going to paint a little, reorganize some things for better flow, and bring in some cozy things to make this space just feel nicer. So first, the good and the bad about the space currently. One thing I like about the space is that about 7 months of the year I can open the door on nice days and feel a little closer to the outside, maybe pretending I'm living in Hawaii. One not great thing that you can see here is that there's basically a plank of wood just loosely jammed in between two pieces of wood to make a shelf. And behind that you can see that we never really finished painting the walls fully. We stopped where it got hard to reach or awkward to reach because we ran out of steam. So I want to fix that. Another good thing is this partition we built to allow for some privacy while still letting some light through and keeping some interest in the space. It was actually inspired by a partition system we saw in a series of pop-up stores at our local mall. Let me know if you want me to do a little video about that down below in the comments. Overall, these double desks work well, but the current system feels a little closed in. I'd like to be able to move around the desks better. Also, there's garden crap and other kinds of crap everywhere, so I want to clean those up or get them out. Something crazy is happening with these carpet squares, so fixing that. This is our IKEA couch, which is nice to sit in, but it feels kind of awkward in the space. So here it is in the process of getting kicked out of here. And this carpet I ordered online. I don't love it, so I want to find another space in the house for it. This space has also been kind of double duty as a gym space for weightlifting and other activities, but I find the weight and fitness things really kind of take away from the relaxing feel I want when I'm in the space. This hanging chair is nice, but personally I want something lighter and something I'm more comfortable in. Over here we have a paper and paint storage area, except the quick covering we made out of like bamboo picnic mat things are falling apart and it looks really messy and it's not really protected from the elements in any sense. So I'd really like to get something to cover it that looks a bit more purposeful and maybe nice. Here's a rough idea of the before layout. The room is basically a square with the two biggest furniture groups forming two L's. In the new layout, I'm switching out the couch and turning the desk. I'm adding a bench, some artwork, new chairs, coverings, and a new carpet. So here's our solution for the office corner area so that I could still be able to put up pictures or do various things. What I like about it is that it still lets some light through while giving me more opportunities to hang and organize stuff with it. I started this project in early summer, maybe April, May, and this is one of those things I ordered early and had to wait months to come in. And luckily it fit the space I wanted to put it really well. Plus, like any good map, Vancouver Island's on there. So I wanted to show you my studio, which is in a big mess right now. See, everything's out of place because moving everything, because I had these rubber mats that were here. Then I'm moving over there and I'm gonna try putting my TV on top and my lighting gear. Because something came today. My carpet. This white wall where there was nothing before, I'm putting up this Boontje paper curtain my sister gave me over a decade ago. It has somehow survived various cats and little kids around in pretty good shape. I'm using string to hang it up sideways across the wall, and this does two things. It keeps it up for me to look at, and it allows me to use the projector here. I love how this space turned out. It feels light and cozy and warm and still clean, and I can think in it and just focus on my painting. I can more easily move around as the sun moves around and fit a wide variety of projects, because usually I'm working on more than one thing at once. So this space lets me do that. Obviously it will only stay clean like this for probably a day, but that's okay. Now finally in the space we have a way to comfortably watch the projector. We can just throw down some cushions and have a clear view. and the paper art piece is easy to move out of the way and put back in the morning.